In PowerPoint, Presenter View is a great way to view your notes and see your upcoming slide while giving a presentation. Select Slideshow. Make sure Use Presenter View is selected and choose which monitor you want your presentation to appear on. This method requires more than one monitor. To start your presentation, select From Beginning. Use the arrows to go to the next or previous slide. On the right side are your notes, which you can make larger or smaller. To point to or write on your slides as you present, select Pen and Laser Pointer tools. If you need to jump to a specific slide, select See All Slides and choose the slide thumbnail you want. To view a detail in a slide, select Zoom into Slide and then point to the part you want to see. To hide or unhide the current slide, select Black or Unblack Slideshow. Select Toggle Subtitles to turn subtitles on or off during your presentation.
You'll notice on this slide that we've been able to generate renewable energy for almost 150 years.
When you're done presenting, select End Slideshow.